Hi, this is Clint. I was in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, and I wanted to take a food tour, a scooters food tour, where they take you around in scooters to different places to try different Vietnamese food. What a great idea. But have you seen the traffic in Ho Chi Minh City lately? It's not just full of cars and trucks, but it's full of motorbikes, tons of motorbikes. I'm talking about scooters and motorcycles. So the thought of sitting in the back of a scooter was just a little bit daunting. But then again, a company called Saigon Kiss Tours came along, and they claim that all of their scooter drivers are ladies. And apparently, ladies drive slower, and they're much more careful than the guys. I thought about it. I was still a little bit nervous, but okay, I'll give it a try. So let's go. So let's go meet my guide. Here's Jessie.
I'm Jessie.
Okay, let's go find your bike.
My bike, where? Oh, it's here.
It's right here. Okay. Okay, so here's the bike that I'm going to be sitting on, and Jessie's going to make sure that I don't fall off. Let's see how this goes. Oh, they gave me a helmet. I'm really nervous. I don't want to fall off this thing. Okay, let's see how it goes.
I've been looking real hard and I'm trying to find a job, but it just keeps getting tougher every day. But I got to do my part, cause I know in my heart I got to please my sweet baby, yeah. Well, I ain't superstitious and I don't get suspicious, but my woman is a friend of mine. And I know that it's true, that all the things that I do will come back to me in my sweet time. So keep on rocking me, baby. 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 I went from Phoenix, Arizona, all the way to Tacoma, Philadelphia, Atlanta, LA. Northern California, where the boys are warm, so I could be with my sweet baby, yeah. Keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby. Keep on rocking me, baby.
So what I'm having here is some type of seafood noodle soup. I can tell you, this is way better than anything that you'll find in Canada, even with the Vietnamese restaurants. Look at this, thicker noodles, seafood. Let's try this out. Oh wow, this is really good. So this scooter, does it have gears? Do you have the, or is it like automatic shift? Do you have to change gears?
Automatic?
Yeah. Like, do you have a clutch?
Clutch?
You have to change gears, like.
Yeah, that's right. My motorbike is like manual.
It is manual, so
Yeah.
you are changing gears, like you. So the faster you go, you're changing gears then.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
The TV news made me feel
So here's our next stop.
Papa, this fruit, the name. Yeah, like we combine all the leaf here and we roll with the pancake.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are Vietnamese pancakes.
We like mustard.
They want us to eat these by hand, which would be our first time.
This one you cannot find it in Canada.
No. It's already too much labor for Canada.
Yeah.
So she's using all these vegetables. Doing a good job.
Yeah. And put the pancakes into the leaf here.
This is service.
Some bean sprouts. It's a little bit hot.
What's inside the pancake? Nothing?
Inside the pancake, yeah, you can see it is bean sprout and pork and shrimp. Yeah,
Okay.
this is the main ingredient.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right here. Let's try it out.
Do you dip with the pizza?
Okay.
That's the soil.
This is really good.
Perfect.
Sometimes dark ages still live in us, still full of hatred and much distrust. Have we, as humans, evolved at all? We have to learn, or we all will fall.
Imagine a world we're free to choose. Imagine a world we're free to love.
Are you ready to make this dream come real? Spread this call like birds high above.
It's time to live in harmony. We want to live in harmony. It's time to live.
Clam soup.
Yeah, let's be inside.
These are good. Scallops. These are good. Really good. So these are scallops here. I've had scallops in other countries, a lot in the United States, Canada, and Europe. All they do is put a little bit of butter in it. I can tell you, the Vietnamese here are doing a lot more than just putting butter. This is by far, and I'm saying this with a lot of honesty, the best scallops I've ever had anywhere in the world. Right here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. You've got to try their scallops here.
Thank you. High five, high five. Yes.
We want to live in harmony.
That was so much fun. Yes, the food was still the main focus. But to my surprise, I found that being driven around in that scooter was actually a lot of fun after I got through the initial nervousness. But it was okay. It was actually pretty safe. I had no problems at all. So, the next time you're in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, I totally recommend taking a tour with Saigon Kiss Tours.